Can't find Notepad in Windows 10 11th? Here are 3 fixes to get it back. Search optional features in Windows search box. Now, search Notepad in installed features and click on Uninstall to remove it. If it is not found, it's okay, move to the next step. Now, click on View Features. Now, search Notepad. Check the option of Notepad which appears in search result. Click Next to install it. Search CMD in Windows search box. Now, right-click and run as admin. Now, type the given below command and hit enter to execute the command. sfc/scannow. Wait for some time to get the command get executed fully. Press Windows key plus R keys together to open Run. Now copy and paste the path given below and click OK to open Notepad. See path windows.notepad.exe. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.